Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the remedy Sepia officinalis. The source of this remedy is animal kingdom. Common name is cuttlefish and it belongs to family Sepidae. It was proved by Dr. Hahnemann. Miasmatic background, psora and psychosis, nervous temperament, and sepia patients are chili patients. Let's see the introduction and history of the sepia remedy. It's commonly known as washerwoman's remedy because of complaints that are brought on by the or aggravated after the laundry work. It is predominantly a female remedy. It's one of the best deep acting and polycrest remedy in the homeopathic materia medica. It belongs to nature order of Cephalopods mollusks, which is without an external shell. It is an soft gelatinous or brown color with red spotted black, and its body is rounded, elliptical, and enclosed in a sac, furnished with fleshy fin on each side, along with its whole length. The head, which is separated from the body by the neck, is salient and round. It has salient eyes of a lively red color. The mouth is surrounded by 10 arms, which are pedunculated, very large, and furnished with suckers. The cuttlefish ink is an extraordinary liquid contained in a bag about the size and shape of the grape within the abdomen of the cuttlefish. Sepia is a blackish brown liquor found in the contents of ink bag of the cuttlefish. Sepia is very common in the Mediterranean Sea. Triturations are prepared from the dried liquid from the ink bag of the cuttlefish. Constitution of sepia is it is specially adapted to a tall, slim person with legs, fibers, and muscles, having yellow or earthy complexions, shallow skin, characteristic yellow face, with a yellow saddle across the nose, and a male type of pelvis in women. Slender, puffy, and flabby. Woman with dark hair, yellowishness of the face and conjunctiva, yellow spots on the chest. Ailments are from anger, vexation, blows, falls, jar, injuries, overlifting, snowy air, tobacco, laundry work, getting wet, alcohol, milk, and fat pork. Sphere of action is predominantly on the female genital organs, portal system, digestive tract, venous circulation, nerves, skin, liver, glands. Active principles are the inky juice contains 20% of sulfur, melanin, and other organic and inorganic substances. Its physiopathological action, it acts upon vasomotor nerves and through them it acts on circulation in general, especially on the portal circulation. It acts on brain. Excess of carbon dioxide in the cerebral capillaries induces confusion, sluggishness, and mental operations, faintness, and trembling. Sluggish flow of blood through the peripheral capillaries causes distinct pathological changes in the skin, ranging from pigmentation to dryness, desquamation, various forms of eruptions, and ulcerations. It acts upon female sexual organs and produces weakness, irritation, and congestion. Also diminishes the general reproductive energy of the vegetative spheres. Doctrine of signature. Cuttlefish is an independent creature. It swims alone rather than in the group. Sepia's nature independence sets her apart from other women. She likes to be alone. Cuttlefish is an solitary animal. Sepia woman can be unsociable and averse to company. She does not want to go out. Company aggravates her and she ameliorates when alone. Cuttlefish refuses to nurse or care for their young ones. Sepia women can be found lacking in maternal instincts. Cuttlefish limbs or tentacles are always in motion, dancing in water. They are more comfortable from moving about and worse from any fixed or locked position, such as kneeling at church, standing for any length of time, bending over to wash, or even sitting. Likewise, the sepia woman always feels better from any violent motion, activity, jogging, tennis, swimming in cold water. She is better from dancing and worse from being fixed or locked. Sepia comes close to the tarantula also, since the theme of tarantula is unrequited love and the need to be attractive. The dancing attractive hysteria and sarcasm are common to both, and young sepia can often seems like tarantula. Tarantula can also be very industrious, but here again the emphasis is much more on attractive behavior, and the contraindication of villas found in sepia is not present. Also, they are very mischievous and speed are much stronger in tarantula. Characteristic mind symptoms. There is dread of being alone, dread of men, of meeting friends with uterine troubles, great sadness with tears, excessively nervous, sensitive to least noise. Sepia comes closest to the Natrum muraticum. They both have the theme of disappointment in love, the theme of the body being disfigured, but the dependence of Natrum muraticum is much greater. The main problem of Natrum muraticum is not between the relationship and occupation, as in sepia, it is between the making and breaking of relationships. There is no contraindication of will in Natrum muraticum. The whole theme is one of relationship and not two separate themes of occupation and relationship. Sepia is the largest sphere, of which the Natrum muraticum is a one part. Also, the Natrum muraticum has a cheerful after coition, which is opposite to sepia. Coition creates hope in Natrum muraticum. It creates confusion in sepia. The acute of sepia is nux vomica. Nux vomica is concerned with occupation and business, with tremendous irritability and has many symptoms similar to sepia. For example, chilly, constipated. In acute situation of business failure, the sepia person can need nux vomica. Thinks about evils, is anxious and fearful, flushes of heat over the face and head, indifferent to everything, to her own occupation, to member of her own family whom she loved very much. Indolent, does not want to be do anything, physical as well as mental work. Indifference run through the whole drug. Indifference to everything, to her own occupation, to members of her own family, whom she loved once and loved best one, to her own domestic and personal affairs. The patient is very much irritable and easily offended. She cannot narrate her symptoms without weeping, which is also seen in pulsatilla and medurinum. She is indolent, does not want to do anything, either do work or to play, even cannot afford to think. There is great sadness and weeping. Consolation aggravates her mental condition. The disposition peculiar to CPI is a depressed, anxious, and fearful state of mind with sense of helplessness and yet susceptibility to excitement and still more to terror, frequent attacks of weeping and despair of life. There is also a tendency to commit suicide from despair, vexed and disposed to scold. Characteristic physical guiding symptoms: sensation, ball like sensation in the inner parts, especially in the rectum during menses, pregnancy, or lactation, with constipation, diarrhea, hemorrhoids, leukorrhea, and all uterine affections. Sweat easily perspires, single parts perspire profusely. Sweat is very offensive. CPR patient faints easily from extreme of temperature while kneeling at church, when riding in carriage. Headache in the terrific shock at menstrual period with scanty flow. It indicates sensitive hysterical woman. Constipation during pregnancy. Stool is hard, knotty, in balls, insufficient, difficult, pain in rectum during and long after stool, sense of weight or ball in anus, not relieved by stool, painful sensation of emptiness, all gone sensation or feeling in the stomach relieved by eating, hot flushes and perspiration at climacteric, flushes of heat over face and head, and flushes of heat from least motion, tightness of limbs, worse after sleep, uterus feels as if clutched, stiffness of uterine region, all the coverings of the neck feel too tight and are constantly loosened. Menses is irregular, early, late, scanty, profuse, amenorrhea or menorrhagia. Suppression, suppressed or feeble menstruation, consumption after suppressed gonorrhea, menstrual headache with scanty flow, bearing down sensation as if everything would protrude from the pelvis with prolapse of uterus and vagina, must cross limbs tightly to prevent it, cannot bear the smell and sight of food during pregnancy, the smell of cooking food nauseates, itching of skin of various parts of the external genitalia is not relieved by scratching and is apt to change to burning, sense of fullness in the pelvic organ and pressure down into the anus, leukorrhea, sweat, etc. are very fitted and horribly offensive, loose motion. Leukorrhea like milk only during daytime, milky vomiting. Pain extends from other parts to the back, they then settle in the back. Characteristic physical particular symptoms: menstrual disorders and leukorrhea. CPI is a remedy acting especially on the female organs and is most valuable one. It produces in its proving venous congestion, which accounts for many of its symptoms. The general symptoms in a case calling for CPR are of most important. Thus, we have characteristically the weakness and want of tone in the whole system, the yellow complexion, the yellow saddle over the nose, the sunken dark ringed eyes, the relief from violent motion due to probably to toning up of the venous system, and the amelioration in the middle of the day. They are all grand characteristic of the remedy. When they are present, the other symptom will be found to correspond with the drugs most beautifully. The menstruation of CPR may be of almost any combination, late and scanty being the most frequent. They may be early and scanty or early and profuse discolorations of the skins attending menstruation are characteristic. The flow is to be dark. The menses are preceded by aching the abdomen and by colicky pains. For amenorrhea in the distinct sepia temperament, where there is an extreme sensitiveness to all the impressions, the leukorrhea of sepia is yellow green in color and somewhat offensive. And there is a milky white leukorrhea. It becomes useful remedy in displacement, especially in the prolapse or retroversion. There is also the irritability of bladder. Bearing down pains are grandly characteristic of sepia. Prolapse of uterus and pregnancy. Pelvic organs relaxed, bearing down sensation as if everything would escape through the vulva. Must cross limbs to prevent the protrusion or press against vulva. Morning sickness during pregnancy. The sight and thought of food makes the patient sick. Even the smell of cooking food is nauseates. General modalities are aggravation, afternoon, evening, motion, washing, laundry work, cold air, thunderstorm, lying on left side, after sweat and dampness. Amelioration from warmth, from violent exercise, pressure, sitting cross-legged, from cold bathing, after sleep, limbs, limbs drawn up. Remedy relationships. It is complementary to nitramur and phosphorus, inimical to lachesis and pulsatilla. It antidotes Rustox and antimony-crude. CPI is antidoted by China, mercurius and phosphorus. If you have found value in this video to the homeopathic materia medica, please don't forget to like, share and comment this video. Let me know which remedy would you like me to develop next. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.